guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to private label accessories. We're going to be going over purses, necklaces, earrings, belts, phone cases, you name it, I got you. So if you want to see how to take your accessories from this to that, then keep on watching this video. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and grab the things that you want to private label. Thankfully with accessories, they're a lot easier than clothes because there's really no sewing involved. Let's go ahead and start with necklaces. So necklaces are super easy. You're basically just going to take a business card and cut 2 lines in it that are about 1/2 inch to 1 inch, and it'll basically look like this. So we got 2 lines here and you're going to see exactly what I do with that. First off, sometimes when I get earrings and a necklace in a set, I like to separate them because I've just noticed that they're not bought together as frequently as they are separately. We're going to go ahead and take off this part and basically just separate them. Now you can see it is beautifully off the packaging, and then you want to go ahead and leave the earrings separately because we're going to take care of those later. So the way you want to do this is you want to grab your necklace and put the chain through these 2 lines and then just pull it through until you like what it looks like. I like it pretty short, so I'm going to leave it at that. So this part here, you're going to want to make sure to go ahead and flip the business card around, and what you're going to do is you're basically just going to let the chain drop down and let it collect together like a cluster, and then all you do is you take a piece of tape that's about 1 inch to 2 inches wide, tape it down just like that, and that is how you private label a necklace. So next come the earrings, and what you're going to do is you're basically just going to take them off of the original packaging and put that off to the side and grab a business card just like that. You can see that in this one I already poked some holes in it, so you can poke a hole either with a needle, with your tagging gun end or something like that, and basically just poke the earrings through the holes. Make sure to secure them with the original backs onto the card, and that's it. That is how you private label earrings. So next we are going to be doing phone cases, and phone cases are also really simple and really easy to private label. Let's just take one of the many phone cases that we like and actually help me choose one. Do you want 1, 2, or 3? So anyways, this is personally how I do it. I'm sure there are millions of ways to do this better, but the way I do it is I start by wrapping it in some good old tissue paper, and usually I'll cut it down into smaller pieces, but for the purpose of this video, I chose to use just a whole piece. And then all I'm going to do is just close it off like that, and then take a small piece of tape and tape it down so it doesn't come apart. And then last but not least, we're going to just slap our sticker on there and you are all set to go. So next come purses, which are my favorite part because they're so easy. You are going to love me for this one. Basically all you're going to need are some security loops and some hang tags, and you're going to be all set, honey. So we are going to take the purse out of its packaging, and first and foremost, you should check that your supplier provides a warning tag. A good supplier should provide it to you. The warning tag basically looks like this. It's just basically disclosing that the product can expose you to chemicals, including lead and cadmium,
which are known to the state of California to cause birth defects and other reproductive harm,
etc. So once you have that on, you are good. You actually don't need to remove this part because you want to have it on anyways. Now all you're going to do is you're going to take a security loop, take your hang tag, and then take the end that looks like a little arrow and poke it through. Then you are going to take your purse, put it through this hole right here, and private label it like that. So I'm just going to do that real quick. I went ahead and poked the part through that looks like a little arrow first, and then what I'm basically going to do is I'm going to snap it close together. You can put it on the 1st, 2nd, 3rd loop. I usually just leave it on loop 1. Now it is going to look like this. And now when your customer gets it, they know exactly where it's from. So that is how you private label a purse. And then last but not least, I know these are not that common, but I'm just going to show you how to private label a belt real quick. It's going to be kind of the same idea. You're basically just going to take the security loop, put it through the hang tag, loop it through this part right here. You can see I already poked the loop through the hole, and now I'm just going to put it right around this part. So I'm gonna take it from the side, put it underneath, and then just poke it through the hole. And now we have a belt from Baddie All Night. You can see that it looks just much better and much more flawless than what it did before. That is how you private label a belt. So I think that's it for this video. I know it was a lot shorter than most of the videos I make, but this process is just really easy but worth the extra effort. If you enjoyed this video and it helped you out, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And also let me know any questions you have, any comments you have, any advice you have to me or to the community. Again, make sure to hit that like and subscribe, hit that notification bell, and make sure to follow me on social media. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to start your own boutique, make passive income, and stay motivated throughout your day. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!